Hello, greetings. I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. And in this particular lesson, these are the questions that I want us to answer through. These are the questions that I just want us to revise through together. So the first question here, they are telling us to find f inverse of x. So they want us to find the inverse of x. So what are we supposed to do? I believe this is a reflection of the light, and I guess it is not affecting any person. So we want to find the inverse of the function f. So this is the first question. So what you are going to do is where you get the function that is given, f of x, the same function which is equal to 6x minus 3 over what? Over 3. This is what you are going to do. From there now is where you let this part be equal to y. You say y is equal to 6x minus 3 over 3. From here, you need to know that you are making x the subject of the formula. You are making what? X the subject of the formula. So you say over 1, then cross multiply. When you cross multiply here, you are going to have 3y, which is equal to 6x minus 3. It is from here now where you get to group the like terms. You are going to have 3y. This is negative. When it comes inside, it becomes positive 3, which is equal to 6x. This is what you are going to do. So it is from here now where you say, okay, I'm going to divide both sides by 6 so that I get to find the value. So what I'm going to do, I divide both sides by 6, even here by 6. So 6 will be cancelled, where I'm going to have y is equal to 3y plus 3 over 6. It is from here now where I'm going to say, therefore, f inverse now of x is equal to, where there is y now, there's gonna be x. So I'm going to say 3x plus what? Plus 3. This is what I'm going to do. Plus 3 over 6. So this is the what? This is the answer. Just like this. This is what you are supposed to do. So we've answered that particular part. Then we move now to our next question. So this is how you are supposed to answer that one. We move now to our next question. Our next question is this one, where we are told to find f of 1. How can we find f of 1? This is to tell you that in the function f of x, so this function f of x, which is 6x minus 3 over 3, where there is x, you shall put 1. So this is f of 1 is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 minus 3 over what? Over 3. Where the answer is gonna be what? 6 times 1, that is 6, minus 3, that is 3 over 3. Have you seen? Then finally your answer is just a 1. So meaning that f of 1 is equal to 1. This is the answer according to how that particular question is. Then we move now to the next one. We move now to that next one. Here we are told to find g inverse of x. How can we find g inverse of x? You ask yourself, where is the function g coming from? The function g of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Where there is g of x, you put y. So this is y is equal to 3x minus 1. Here, you are making x the subject of the formula. Keep in mind that you are making x the subject of the formula. So what you are going to have will be what? This one comes inside. This is y plus 1. This is negative. When it crosses the equal sign, becomes positive, like this. You divide both sides by 3. Even here you divide by 3. So this and that going to cancel. You are going to have x, which will be equal to y plus 1 over 3. From here, that's where you now say, therefore, G inverse of x is equal to what? Where there is x, you put, where there is y here, you shall put x. So this is x plus 1 over 3, like that. So meaning that this is the answer that you get. This is what you are supposed to know and understand. This one is your answer. So this is how you get to answer these things. From here now, let us now go to this last one. Have you seen G of 3? This is to tell you that where there is x there, you shall put a 3. So you say G of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Then G of 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. So this is just the same as 9 minus 1, which is now equal to 8 as your answer. So this is to say G of 3 is equal to what? 8. So this is how you are supposed to work out these questions, and these are the procedures that you need to get and understand. I guess you've learned one or two things, and I believe you've revised. Those of you that want tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on this number that is here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel or page. This is your tutor, Addison J. Zulu. Thank you.